Hello guys, this is Rahul Kumar and today I'm going to start a new video series on topic Android. This is one of most interesting topic for many of the students, especially mine. So in this tutorial I'm going in three phases. In first I will show you how you can install the software on various operating system, that is MacBook, Windows, Linux, and some people students also use Chrome OS. So in first video I will show you how you can install, and after that we are focusing on UI UX design, and after that I will show you how we can link in this UI UX design to mainframe, and after that I make a mini project which might be helpful many students who are currently doing their summer done in Android field. So I think this is very helpful, and now I'm going to move on my system screen, so let's start. So now I am on my system screen. So firstly open Google and type Android Studio download, and after that click on first link and you get this where you can simply click on download now. After downloading, I think almost approx 1.5 GB. So after installing this, drag Android Studio app into application folder and start running. So it's depend on your system capacity how much that take the time for installing the Android application. So if you are installing first time, then it might be take around 10 to 20 minutes. Some PCs, old PCs, they take almost half an hour. So after installing, just click on next and finish. Now let's open Android Studio and create a new project. Click on empty activity and click on next button. After that, just put your name of your project. I put here Android practice and save their location. I save in my Android practice, that is in demo, and I choose Java language, and minimum SDK I choose API 15 and click on finish. Now after clicking to next, this window is pop up and it takes few seconds to start your project. Here you can see there on left side there are many files, and when you see in bottom there are some process are going where it install automatically some important gradles and dependencies which is necessary for your Android project. So let's wait for first few seconds so that they can install their dependency automatically. There are some APK, so let's wait for few seconds, and it's almost done. So this is one of the main file where we are going to start our coding, that is activity main.xml, where we can see our dashboard. Here we can split design code, and another one is main activity Java. So firstly we are going to implement some important dependency from Google. So first click on Gradle scripts, and after that click on build Gradle, and inside dependency just write implementation comma com.google.android.material material 1.2 1.1 and sync now. And after clicking on sync, our Gradle project is finished. I just miss colon material, so put here and sync again, and now you can see that our build is finished in the bottom of terminal. And here we have done with our first part, that is importing all the important dependencies from the. Now we don't need this text view, so we remove it. So we are using here constraint layout widget. So in constraint layout widget I will add a background color. I choose white, you can choose by your own. So after choosing the white color, I am taking a view card where I use with match parent and height is 128 dp, and after that I use the id that @ +id /view, and after that I use the background of for view card, and I choose color primary dark, and after I choose end of layout, that is parent, layout margin of 16 dp, and I use background that is selectable item background that automatically select the past background which I have used. So and then I use padding that is 8 dp. So basically padding means just you leave some space from bottom, top, left, right, all over the four corners. And here I use src that is for image. You can see that hand that is in travel folder. So I use that location of travel folder, and layout constraint that is to start of parent and top of parent and close the image button. We use another text view where we take width of wrap content and height for wrap content, and basically we use id name. So I use text view, and for margin top that is 16 dp, that is margin end that is 80 dp, margin right that I use 80 dp, and here we use gravity. So that is central horizontal. So gravity means they did if you did not use gravity here, means your icon maybe if you are open in some another phone or different cell phone, then the icon move slightly different. So that's why we use gravity here. So I use text that is welcome everyone. This is welcome everyone, and so for all caps I pass the true, and text color that I use white, and text size that is 28 sp, style that is bold, and end of that is parent, top of parent, and close the text view. And after that I use a button that is image button, and similarly with wrap content, height wrap content, and I use id, and margin top 16 dp, margin end 16 dp, right 16 dp, and background that I use earlier that is select item background. So it take earlier background automatically, and I use padding that is 8 dp, and src that I use here the folder you can see on left side, that is travel folder. Here you can see the log. I have already put the image logout.png file, so I call here logout. After that I use circle radius 24 because the png I want that in a circle form, that's why I use circle radius, and end of that is parent, top of parent. And I use another that visit that is card view visit, where with that is you can choose by your own. That's all for today, and in next video we are link the UI design to .java file, and after using the Firebase we are connect with database, and also we are going to add some new list, todo list for this dashboard. So if you have any question or any kind of problem, so comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, share with your friends, so they can also got helped from my side. So that's all from my side.